welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Momo Alicia back again with another vlog. So kicking it off with another workout. I've just got my waist trainer on, and it's the waist trainer by The Bodied. If you want to find the information for this waist trainer, I can link them in the description below. But we're going to start off the morning with a workout or just walking up and down the stairs. I think I walked up and down the stairs about 10 times. Now I'm going to do the second part of my workout. I've got these two stickers on my face because my face is breaking out. But I'm going to do the second part of my workout now, and I'm going to incorporate clips into the vlog, but I'm using my phone to watch the video. I might even chop in a little piece of the video into the vlog so you guys can actually see. In vibes on vibes, I'm taking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill, them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. Man said, follow the stars. Then you shall find a piece of advice. If you hit your enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never. So, up top. Ruby. My vlog. In vibes on vibes, I'm taking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill, them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. It's your girl Mama Alicia back again with another video. Today is Thursday. It's currently 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to go for a run. This is the outfit attire. Actually so tired. After 6 now. These lot are behind me. We're doing a morning walk. We was gonna do a run, but we're not running. We're gonna walk. And what?
Yes, sir. If you want, I will tell you, yes, sir. If you want, you can come back home.
Okay. This church big?
What school?
Is it a school?
Yeah, no, a church.
Oh.
And the school behind.
Okay. It's massive.
Like I'm not sitting and sitting here. Come back no for now. My dad then sat here and baby. You know, I have to spend money in this to make it cool. I am going. And you have to go into one track. You may know. You take them, you do them.
Hey.
Black dark to make a Paul race him up. One man said, go on the shop, but you said, go on it. Crack and take up stone and start fling. Those are the pounding, like they're ready to run me dog. We just fling stone and I look, fling and I look. Me blood clot when me look at some me see me come. I run you fuck tear down the whole around the house. I run. Man, then that ever catch you they buck with left right and center. Hi, Mary. Guys, I'm tired. I've run around 4 times. These are waiting for me over there. They're done now. Nice little exercise in the morning. We're on the bamboo tree spot complex. I'm gonna show you a football ground. And I've run around it about 4 times now. I'm tired. These are tired as well. Tomorrow morning a little bit earlier at 6:43 now. Earlier. Hey, my goodie friend. She says she's running and she feels free. Who? Every time I walk past this flower, I always think how pretty it is. Like, it's so pretty. This flower's pretty. Take me a picture. Guys, we have not finished the walk. We're literally still walking. Yeah. Wow. The other tree are pretty. Wow. You see them? Yeah. You don't like to see what in top there? Yes, when you get the view, girl. What a Yo! Pies, boy, pies.